In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Canva design in WordPress. If you've already created your design in Canva and saved it to your computer, the rest of the process is very straightforward. We'll be working inside WordPress and adding that Canva design to a page using the built-in image block. This is a simple method that works well when you want to display your design clearly on a page without overcomplicating things. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site content, including posts, pages, media, and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will open the full list of pages currently available on your website. From there, select the page where you want your Canva design to appear. You can choose an existing page that you want to update. After opening the correct page, click Edit to enter the WordPress editor. This is where you'll be able to add new content and control how it appears on the page. Inside the editor, click on Add Blocks. In WordPress, blocks are the individual content elements you use to build a page, such as text, headings, images, buttons, and more. Since we're adding a Canva design as an image, the next thing to do is search for image in the block search field. When the image block appears, click on it to insert it into the page. This creates a space where your Canva design will be uploaded and displayed. Next, click Upload. This tells WordPress that you want to bring in a file directly from your computer instead of choosing something already stored in the media library. Now, select your Canva file from your device. Make sure you choose the correct exported design, ideally the final version you want visitors to see on your site. Once you've selected the file, click Open to begin the upload. WordPress will then place the image into the page automatically. At this point, your Canva design should appear inside the editor. It's a good idea to quickly check that the image looks clear and is placed in the right section of the page. If needed, you can adjust its alignment or spacing later within the editor, but the upload itself is now complete. And that's how to publish a Canva design in WordPress. Once everything looks right, you'll be ready to save or update the page so your design can be viewed on your site.